Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 777 series is a two-engine American wide-body commercial airliner manufactured by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It's the world's largest twin jet and began flying in 1994. It was officially introduced in 1995. United is the only U.S. airline with the Pratt and Whitney PW4000 in its fleet, the FAA said. 22 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Francis Ashbury Pratt was the founder of Pratt and Whitney. He founded the company with Amos Whitney in 1860 in Hartford, Connecticut. He is credited with being first to permit production of fine gear work. He manufactured machine tools and tools for gun making and sewing machines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.